In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a story on Substack. It's a great tool for sharing your thoughts and stories with an audience interested in your work. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you have everything you need to start publishing. First, head to your Substack homepage. Simply log into your account to get there. This is where you'll start crafting your new story. Once you're on the homepage, look for the New Post button. Clicking this will open up options to create a fresh post. You'll see a selection including one for a text post. Choose that so you can start writing your story. Now that you've selected the text post, you'll be prompted to enter a title. Make sure your title is catchy and engaging, as it's the first thing your readers will see. It should give a hint of what your story is about without giving it all away. Along with the title, you can add a subtitle. This helps provide additional context or an intriguing teaser to pull your reader in. Once your title and subtitle are set, you can dive into writing the body of your story. This is your space, so let your creativity shine. Whether it's a personal narrative, a fictional piece, or an insightful article, make sure your voice and ideas come through clearly. While text is crucial, visuals can intensify your story's impact. So consider adding an image. This could be a photograph, an illustration, or any relevant image that complements your narrative. Remember, a good image can often be worth 1,000 words. With your text and images in place, head over to the upper right corner and click Continue. This is the point where you'll start thinking about your audience. You can choose to send your post to everyone, making it public for both subscribers and non-subscribers. Alternatively, you can be selective and send it to paid subscribers only in case you're offering exclusive content. When it comes to interaction, you get to decide who can comment on your post. You may opt to allow everyone to comment, or if you'd rather keep the discussion to yourself or prevent negativity, you can disable comments altogether. It's also helpful to add tags to your post. Tags help categorize your story and make it easier for interested readers to find through search. Then decide whether you want your story to be sent out immediately or if you wish to schedule it for later. Scheduling can be useful if you're managing multiple posts or timing releases. Finally, when everything looks good, click Send to Everyone Now or according to your selected audience options. If you want to further increase engagement, consider adding subscribe buttons to encourage new readers to join your community. Once you've reviewed everything, go ahead and click on Continue and then Send to Everyone Now. With these steps, your story is ready to reach its audience. Happy writing on Substack.